Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about what to use on small dents for your walls when repairing them to paint. Now for this job, you'll need a couple things. For this job, we'll be using some drywall mud or joint compound. If you have some spackling compound, that works too, and a trowel. The reason I like to use this is because this is actually what it's designed for, is all drywall work. You can also use it on any kind of plaster and lath walls. It's fairly simple to apply. Just get a little bit on your knife, go right to where your indent is, put it over there, and scrape off the excess. As you can see, only the indent is filled because I didn't apply too much pressure when I was wiping it off. Then it's ready to go ahead and prime over and paint. If there is a little bit of residue left on there that you don't want, all you have to do is take your knife when it dries and just give it a little bit of a scrape, and the excess will come off. Or you can use a little bit of drywall sandpaper. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck with this project.